Hey there, party animals. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to throw a wild birthday bash, you've just found the ultimate jungle guide. We're talking vines, tropical leaves, animal prints, and untamed fun. Whether you're planning a kids' party or a jungle soiree for the young at heart, I've got you covered. From decoration hacks to game ideas and even where to shop, this is your one-stop jungle safari. Don't worry if you're on a budget. Many of these ideas are DIY friendly. And yes, I'll be answering your most asked party planning questions along the way. So grab your explorer hat and let's dive deep into the jungle birthday zone. What's the best way to start planning a jungle-themed birthday party? Start by picking a style. Do you want a lush tropical jungle or a cute safari vibe? Choose 2 to 3 base colors like green, tan, and gold to tie everything together. Create a visual theme board to get inspiration and stay consistent. Decide on the guest list. Size matters for food, games, and seating. Pick a venue, indoors or backyard. Your space affects your decor plans. Don't forget the age group. Toddlers may need softer, safer setups. Use animal characters like lions, monkeys, or zebras for added fun. Write out your budget and stick to essentials first. Planning smart means less stress and more fun on the big day. What are some fun jungle-themed activities or games for kids? Animal safari hunt. Hide animal toys and give clues to find them. Monkey relay. A banana on spoon race for little explorers. Jungle limbo. Use a vine-decorated stick and play tropical tunes. Face painting with jungle animals like tigers, parrots, and leopards. Craft station. Let kids make animal masks with paper and string. Jungle dance party. Play soundtracks with animal noises and upbeat music. Mini obstacle course using pillows, tunnels, and jungle sounds. Story corner. Read a jungle-themed book like The Jungle Book. End with a piñata shaped like a monkey or elephant for jungle treats. If you're having fun so far, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you love creative party ideas like this. Let me know in the comments what your dream birthday theme would be. What are some jungle-themed decoration ideas that are easy and affordable? Start with green streamers and twisted crepe paper vines. Super simple, but effective. Use large tropical leaves, real or faux, as table runners or wall accents. Print animal footprints and place them around the floor for a jungle trail vibe. Hang inflatable monkeys or parrots from ceilings or trees. DIY animal face balloons. Draw or stick on tiger, lion, or zebra features. Use brown butcher paper to create a jungle cave entrance. Repurpose houseplants or grab dollar store faux greenery. Add a welcome to the jungle sign at the entrance. Lighting tip, use warm fairy lights to create that glowing canopy feel. How do I set up a jungle-themed dessert or snack table? Cover the table in burlap or leaf-patterned cloth. Use wooden crates or boxes to create height and texture. Label snacks with jungle names: Lion Chow popcorn, Snake Bites, Twizzlers, Monkey Munch, Trail Mix. Use banana leaves or palm trays for snack displays. Add animal figurines around the table for decor. Try cupcakes topped with animal faces or jungle leaves. Serve drinks in coconut cups or mason jars with animal straws. A jungle cake? Go for green frosting, edible leaves, and toy animals on top. Don't forget a backdrop. Even a simple jungle-printed tablecloth works wonders. Tag a friend who's planning a birthday soon. Help them out with some ideas. How can I make a jungle backdrop for photos or cake cutting? Use a green fringe curtain as the base and layer with vines. Add cutouts or printables of jungle animals and leaves. Hang "Happy Birthday" in banana leaf style letters. Use balloons in green, gold, and brown to create a balloon arch. Try adding faux tree branches or cardboard cutouts of animals. Place a safari jeep prop made from cardboard for kids to sit in. Lighting tip: clip-on LED lights shaped like vines or animals. Include a small bench or stool for easy posing. What food should I serve to match the jungle theme? Think tropical. Fruit skewers with pineapple, mango, and grapes. Mini burgers named Big Cat Bites or wraps called Python Rolls. Banana chips, jungle trail mix, and gummy snakes for snacks. Serve swamp juice, green punch, or kiwi smoothie in jungle cups. Animal crackers or paw print cookies add fun to the dessert table. Offer build-your-own snack stations like a gorilla grub bar. Add themed toppers or toothpicks with animal heads. Use leaf trays or wooden boards for presentation. Even simple snacks feel wild with creative names and labels. Pause and screenshot your favorite idea. Don't lose it. Want more themed ideas? Browse through the DIY Party Hacks section on our channel. Leave a comment if you like this video. What music should I play to match the jungle vibe? Start with nature sounds: birds, monkeys, rainforests, great for background. Add kid-friendly jungle songs. For younger kids, include animal-themed nursery rhymes or sing-alongs. Use jungle sound effects during games for immersion. Keep volume moderate during eating or crafts. Increase tempo for games and the dance party segment. End with a calm track during goodbyes or gift opening. How do I keep the party organized and stress-free? Use a checklist. Prep in zones: food, decor, games, favors. Delegate. Ask friends or family to help manage each zone. Set up early. Allow 2 to 3 hours minimum before start time. Pre-pack favor bags and label them. Keep a cooler for drinks and extra snacks nearby. Have a first aid kit and cleaning supplies on hand. Print out your party timeline and tape it to a wall. Keep extras: balloons, tape, napkins for last-minute fixes. Breathe, smile, and remember, it's a jungle, not perfection. Still here? You're officially the party MVP. Click that like button if this guide helped at all. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun party ideas every week. What's a unique birthday cake idea for a jungle party? Go tiered with fondant animals on each layer, or choose a single layer cake shaped like a lion or zebra face. Add edible vines, bananas, or paw prints made from frosting. Try cupcakes arranged into a jungle animal pattern. Use grass piping tips for a textured jungle floor look. Top with mini toy animals or palm trees. Consider a surprise inside cake with green layers or gummy worms. Offer an allergy-friendly version if needed. Jungle fun for all. Presentation matters. Use a tree stump cake stand or leaf platter. How can I make the birthday boy or girl feel extra special? Create a special jungle throne or decorated seat just for them. Give them a safari explorer hat or animal crown to wear all day. Let them lead the first game or activity like the safari hunt. Make a custom birthday banner with their name and favorite animal. Include them in cake cutting with a fun jungle chant or cheer. Plan a surprise moment like a parade of animals. With guests, have everyone share a wild memory or wish during the party. Let them hand out party favors to feel like the jungle host. Capture their reactions in photos and videos to relive the magic. That's how you turn a party into a personal adventure. Comment if you've tried any of these or have your own wild ideas. How do I make a jungle-themed invitation that stands out? Go digital with animated invites featuring jungle music and animal sounds. Use vibrant colors like green, yellow, and orange for that wild vibe. Include cute puns like "swing on over" or "it's a wild celebration." Add small animal icons or vines as borders or backgrounds. Mention dress codes if any, like "wear your wildest outfit." For print, try leaf-shaped cards or postcard-style invites. If you loved any of these ideas, drop a jungle emoji in the comments. And of course, share this video with your fellow party planners. You now have everything you need for a roaring jungle birthday bash. From wild games and lush decor to delicious treats and stress-free planning. Whether it's a toddler's party or a wild one for grown-ups, you've got options. Planning should feel fun, not overwhelming. And I hope this helped. Let your creativity run wild, and don't be afraid to improvise. Remember, laughter and joy matter more than perfection. Use these tips to create a memory that lasts for years. Celebrate every moment, because birthdays are pure magic. If this helped you plan your perfect jungle party, give it a like. Comment below your favorite idea or any jungle twist you'd add. Subscribe for more party themes, DIYs, and creative inspiration. Turn on notifications so you never miss a fresh idea. Share this with a friend who's planning a celebration soon. Thanks for watching. Now go make your party wild and wonderful.